Namaskar, NYN Knowledge Center welcomes you in video show of Buddha 2. You are requested to subscribe to this channel in order to receive information about forthcoming videos. Let us proceed to Buddha 2 video. Friends, in the first video, we have discussed about Muda in detail, how to detect Muda, how to eliminate Muda, and steps involved to elimination of Muda. In this video, we will see 7 types of mudra in detail. Let us start with first one. First one is mudra of overproduction. Mudra of overproduction refers to the excess part that produce over demanded quantity. In many organizations, workers are pursuing production blindly, regardless of customer needs, which results in product being stuck when customers are not ready to buy. This major drawback may result in significant working capital unaccountably hold till product get salvaged. In this figure, you can see how overproduction happens. When production department producing 3 units in a specific time and out for sale is 2 pieces in the same specific time. So 1 piece go to the FGS as inventory. Now we see cause of overproduction of mother. There are many companies in which production are made in advance in excess of demand in order to maintain inventory, which ensure that the product is always available for sale. Due to this, producers have to buy more items than necessary, collect more parts, arrange warehouse, and arrange for additional workers. It is a traditional model of production and is called just in case production. In short, it is called JIT. Other cause is when the customer repeatedly change the demand and does not say anything clearly about the demand. In such a situation, taking care of supply safety, more products have to be made, which increases the inventory. Other cause is producing to forecast to improve apparent efficiency is a case of overproduction where ignored the production plan and followed the forecast, resulting increase in inventory. Other cause is long setup time that reduces machine availability. To compensate the loss and improve the efficiency, longer time runs the machine, resulting additional products get manufactured in advance that was in fact not required. Other cause is engineering changes or changes in design. This lead to change in part design, performance, shape, etc., resulting major correction in the parts, assembly and subassembly, and or sometime parts those are already produced cannot be used. Poor automation that lead for longer cycle time, resulting additional manpower and equipment to maintain the production. Second one is muda of waiting. Muda of waiting refers to man, machine and material waiting. Operators standing idle and wasting time while automatic cycle is on. Machine waiting for operator. Machine breakdown. Operator waiting for approval or material from preceding process, etc. Causes for muda of waiting. In case there is unbalanced workload on machines or difference in cycle time on different processes, then machine and or operator both may be idle during longer operation time is on. It means where cycle time is longer, the machine and operator will engage. Where cycle time is short, they will be idle and waiting for the next operation. Next cause, during availability of operator, material for process and or machine breakdown, there will be wastage of time. Next cause, during unavailability of operator, material or for process and or machine breakdown, there will be wastage of time. Next cause, due to longer machine setup time, machine operator and material all have to wait for setup completion. Next cause is producing according to the forecast. This already we have discussed in Muda overproduction section. Further causes are insufficient manpower leads to wait machine and material for processing. Next cause, if there is no work, man and machine go under waiting. Next cause is in case of uncontrolled processing quality, muda of correction will be generated. Due to that, man and machine of next operation will remain idle. Next cause, because of poor communication, many times man, machine and material remains idle. For example, first piece inspection report timely not communicated to the operator, resulting operator stands idle. Second one, machine loading plan not communicated due, due to that tooling and other accessories not arranged timely. This may lead to longer machine setup time. Next mudda is mudda of conveyance. Mudda of conveyance refers to the waste arises due to transportation of part at all the stages of manufacturing process and storage including repeat inspection, packaging and transfer from warehouse to plant both ways. In the picture it is shown that machines are just almost beside, but there is small obstruction due to that transportation path is too long. Let us see the cause. Cause for muda of conveyance. Poor plant office layout leads unnecessary transportation between process as well as stores. Unnecessary or excessive steps in the process also leads additional transportation of in-process product. Misaligned process flow leads towards longer transportation path that waste time and resources. Next cause, poorly designed system leads to repeat as well as delay in transportation. Next muda of processing. Muda of processing refers to wastage of money and time due to unnecessary process, repeated process or excessive process done on the product. In the picture it is shown a 10 dia hole to be drilled on a drilling machine because of inadequate availability of equipment. First they drill 4 dia hole, then 7 dia hole and then finally 10 dia hole. While it was possible to drill directly 10 dia hole. So two processes additionally done. Next, causes for muda of processing. Excessive paperwork like generating unnecessary reports, data duplication, same data handled by more than one workstation, and multiple signature etc. leads to over process. Next cause, in case of non-availability of standards or non-awareness of standards, over processing is possible. For example, geometry that can be achieved by turning was achieved by grinding. This happened because of non-availability, non-awareness of standards. Next cause, poor communication. We have already discussed in Muda of waiting. Next cause, using inadequate equipment result over processing. Already discussed, referring that figure. Next cause, producing without understanding customers' requirement leads over processing. Human error like escaping the operation, wrong operation, additional operation leads to over processing and or reprocessing. Next muda is muda of inventory. Muda of inventory refers to that excessive product produced, procured over customers' demand. It increased financial burden like stock maintenance expenses, interest payment, apart from use of material and resource in advance, use of warehouse space, etc. Causes for muda of inventory. It happens due to different reasons of overproduction, including maintaining safety stock to avoid supply failure, poor monitoring of stock available at various locations in another region for increasing inventory. If production speed of each component or process are not matching, inventory will be generated at faster operation. In case of supplier is not supplying right quantity at right time, leads to increase the inventory because sometimes they supply less quantity and sometimes additional quantity. Next cause, long setup time. Already we have discussed in Buddha production section. Next cause is no customer buy product if it is not meeting their needs, resulting inventory. Next, Muda, Muda of motion. Muda of motion refers to the time wasted in the process due to excess unnecessary movement of man like checking, changing, squatting, searching, etc. and extra long movement of moving parts of machines. Next, causes for, causes for muda of motion. Due to poor process design and control system, unnecessary movement that add no value to the product may involve. Next cause, due to poor design of workstation, operator may reach to some important control points with difficulty. Next cause, shared tools and equipments lead to unnecessary motion. Operators may travel one corner to another corner of plant in search of tool or equipment. Next cause, due to crowded workstation, many unnecessary motions like escaping from collision with colleague, etc. are involved, which is not a value added motion. Next, muda of correction. Muda of correction refers to the wastage of time and money in the correction of defects in parts that generated during process. Producing defective pieces means not only wastage of material but to invest in material, process, equipment, effort that cannot be sold. It caused due to producing defective parts is the result of poor quality control. Poor repair of machine or equipment lead to produce non-conforming product or high dimensional and geometrical variation. Next card. Poor design and documentation may lead to dimensional error, skipping operation or wrong operation during design and production process. Next card. Lack of specification standards may lead to produce wrong product or skip some operation. Next card. Customer need not understood correctly, resulting some process skip or wrong process. Next cause, high inventory level may lead to rework such as reoiling, repacking, etc. Here I explained 7 types of muda and causes. At the end of this video show why muda overproduction is called worst category of muda. See in the figure, in the first figure part, production more than demand. This was done during processing. This generated muda of overproduction. Because of that, inventory gone up. That generated muda of inventory. After that, when muda inventory generated, then again two muda generated. One, product maintenance, that generated muda of correction, and extra transportation, that is muda of conveyance. So you seen one muda generated secondary and even third level muda due to potential poor manufacturing cycle on the production shop floor. Many muda are hidden, which further produces to muda. As explained above, it is hidden in such a way that it is not at all easy to find them out, and also difficult to determine what to do to get rid of it. All these muda severely affect labor cost, depreciation, general administrative expenses, etc. Due to this, muda production is called the worst category of. So already explained why muda production is called worst category of muda and 7 type of muda. Dhanyavad. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel.